Well, the next event on the track, the men's 100 meters T47. 8 athletes out there, 4 of whom have gone under 11 seconds. And Danny creates this, promises to be a really, really tight race, just looking at the stats on paper.
Yeah, it does. And this is for athletes with an upper limb impairment. But this is a great opportunity for Kevin Santos for England. He's had a turbulent couple of years, so for him to give a chance to get onto the podium. But we start with lane 1, Hayford Adai, competing for Ghana. He won a gold at the Dubai Grand Prix. Kevin Santos, he missed out on Birmingham in 2022. He was a bronze medalist in 2023 and missed out on the Paralympic Games. Colin Mahalia from South Africa. He was a bronze medalist in the 400 metres in the Paralympics. In lane 5, Mohammed Morssingakanath. He won the Indian Para-Athletics Championships. Jaden Page representing Australia. He was second in 2022 in Birmingham. He's the only one left from that final. Dilip Gavit from India. He was second in the Indian Championships this year. And lastly, it's Jamali Richards representing Jamaica. So remember, this is for athletes with upper limb impairments. You'll see somewhere using a starting block on the actual track so they can use it to stabilise themselves in the start. Some have prosthesis fitted to their arms.
Well, on paper, Danny, he looks incredibly tight. I have to say, Kevin Santos of England with an opportunity here to take gold from lane 3. Lane 2 is empty. That would have been a Nigerian, Onu Christian Ifeanyi. Adai of Ghana in 1. Santos of England in 3. Malalela of South Africa goes in 4. India's morssingakanath goes in 5. Page in 6 for Australia. India's Gavit goes in 7. And the Jamaican Jamali Richards in lane 8. Santos, 10.68 this year. Indian morssingakanath, 10.63. Really good start from Santos in the red and white there, but it's going well, as also is morssingakanath of India. It's going to be very, very tight at the line. They're coming back at him. Who's going to get there on the near side in lane 7? It's Gavit, takes it for India. 10.71. Delivers on the occasion when it matters. +2, the wind was legal, exactly 2 meters per second. And he came through late. It was absolutely brilliant. And it's a game's record there. Wow. He gave it absolutely everything through the second half. He had to fight for that so hard. And he comes through to take the gold. He's strong too. We knew he'd be strong late. Just recently, he ran 47.6 for 400 meters in Bangalore. So we knew that he'd be better through the second half. That's so often the case with the 200 and 400 meter runners. And Kevin Santos, well, a superb silver for him. It was really tight. I thought he was going to take it. I think he led. In fact, he takes the bronze. Gavit wins it. The Indians take 1 and 2. Morssingakanath takes the silver. 10.71 to 10.83, and Kevin Santos just 2 100s further back, 10.85. But it's a game's record for Dilip Gavit.
You said it was going to be tight, Tim, didn't you? We knew it was going to be a really, really tight race. The battle was between Kevin Santos and Morssingakanath, wasn't it, of India in lanes 3 and 5. But Gavit just came through so strong in the latter stages of the race. He had to make up at least 7 or 8 meters in the last 30, 40 meters of the race. He was just out there in lane 7, just doing his own thing. Santos and Morssingakanath from India battling away in 3 and 4, but it was in those last stages, Gavit's strength, the 400 meter man, just really, really paid off.
the first 5 going under 11 seconds there. Morssingakanath taking the silver behind his teammate. And Gavit, you're right. I mean, I reckon 30 metres out, he was in 4th place. Look, there he is on the far side. He had to work really hard, maybe 3rd place. But the storming run through the last 30 there, I mean, he takes, what, 3 or 4 metres out of the other 2 medalists in the last 20, 30 metres. Very, very worthy champion indeed. And a brace of medals for India there. They've just taken a silver in the long jump over on the far side. It's been quite an evening for them. Tell you what, there's 1.4 billion people in India. They haven't scratched the surface yet in road running, in track and field athletics. We should all be a little bit worried about what they're going to be doing over this next 20 or 30 years.
They really are starting to make their mark on athletics at the moment as well, aren't they?
Well, that's more or less what I was saying. Field.
Gavit Singh picking up that brilliant silver in the 10,000 metres, and we were talking then about how it's not all about the shot put. We've got Neeraj Chopra starting his journey in the javelin throw. Apologies, not the shot put. Starting in the javelin throw tomorrow morning. That qualifies 37 points, so that puts him in 2nd place at the moment.
Well, there it is. Dilip Gavit and Mohammed morssingakanath giving them a brace of medals in that 100 metres. Absolutely supreme stuff.